In this tutorial, we'll show you how to simplify your codebase by identifying and removing unused components using the Componly CLI. Keeping your project clean and efficient has never been easier. Start by ensuring Componly CLI is installed. Then, the process is straightforward. Just run 2 commands. First, scan your production repository with npx componly run. This generates a JSON file containing all your component usage data. Next, make this data more accessible by generating a detailed report with npx componly report. This gives you a clear view of component usage, helping you spot those that are underutilized. To quickly identify components that can be removed, upload the JSON file to ChatGPT. Ask it to list components with very low usage. This step speeds up the decision-making process. Finally, remove the low-usage components to streamline your codebase. Regular cleanups like this keep your project lean and maintainable. And that's it! Simplifying your codebase with Componly and ChatGPT is both quick and effective. Happy design systeming!